Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the textual activities of lesson 5, The Old Gentleman. Let's discuss the comprehension questions first. It is given in page number 32. The first question is, let's all wave to the green dragon as it goes by. Let's all wave to the green dragon as it goes by. Who said these words? What does the green dragon refer to? What happened when the children waved to the green dragon? So the first question, who said these words? You have to read that part of the story. It is given in page number 29. The last lines. Yeah, I say Phyllis suggested. Okay, from there you have to read, then you will get the answer. So the speaker is Phyllis. What does the green dragon refer to here? Yes, the green dragon refers to the 9:15 up train, isn't it? Yeah. Then question C. What happened when the children waved to the green dragon? When the children waved to the green dragon, an old gentleman waved back to them. Okay. Second question, I can't afford all that. Who said these words and to whom? Who said? Yeah, mother said these words to Roberta. Okay, you can see that in page number 30. 1, 2, 3. Fourth paragraph, nonsense. You have to read from there. Nonsense, said mother, lying in bed with eyes as bright as beads. I can't afford all that. You can read that area, then you will get the answer. Who said these words to whom? The mother said these words to Roberta. Then second one, what could the speaker not afford? Yes, the mother could not afford the list of things that the doctor had prescribed for her when she fell ill. What had happened to the speaker? Yes, what had happened to her? Mother fell ill. She had fever, headache and sore throat, etc. And the doctor said she had influenza. Okay. Third question. I thought I had missed you. Who said this? And to whom? Do you know? Listen. Okay. You can see that sentence in page number 31. After that, let's revise the first sentences itself. Okay. Please. Okay, you can see it. Then who said these words? Yeah. It is said by Phyllis. Yeah, Phyllis said these words to the old gentleman. Okay. Then B. What's the question? Why did the speaker want to meet the listener? Yeah. Phyllis wanted to meet the old gentleman because she had to hand over a letter to him which had a list of all the things the doctor had prescribed for their mother. The last question in that. See what happened immediately after this. After saying this, Phyllis thrust a warm, damp letter into the old gentleman's hand. Okay. Now, let's discuss B. Answer these questions. First one, what names did the children give to the different trains? What names did the children give to the different trains? You know that. Hope you all know. The children gave different names to different trains. The 9:15 up was called the Green Dragon. Okay. And what about 10:07 down? The 10:07 down was the home of Wanley. And the Midnight Town Express was the fearsome fly-by night. So these are the names given by the children to the trains. Second question. Describe the old gentleman. How was the old gentleman? It is also given in the textbook. The old gentleman was a very nice looking old gentleman. He had a fresh colored, clean shaven face and white hair. He traveled by the green dragon. Okay, so that's the appearance of the old gentleman. Third question. Why did the children wave to the old gentleman every day? What's the reason? You know. Okay. Phyllis suggested that they all should wave to the green dragon as it went by. The children believed that the train was going to where their father was. When they waved their pocket handkerchiefs at the train, an old gentleman seated in a first-class carriage waved back to him. So it became a custom for waves to be exchanged every day. Okay, so it became a habit. Then fourth one, how did the children seek the old gentleman's help? How did they seek his help? What did they do? Yes, the children wrote on a big sheet of paper. What was written on that? Look out at the station. Yeah. And what did they do? They stuck it on the fence. Peter stood pointing to it. Then did the old gentleman see that? The old gentleman who was waiting to wave to the children noticed that only Peter was standing there and he too was pointing to something. It was noticed. Yeah. Okay. On reading what Peter was pointing to, the old gentleman looked out at the station. Then Phyllis was waiting for the old gentleman at the station. She handed over a letter to him that the children had written seeking his help. So thus they seek to the help of the old gentleman. Got it? Now fifth question. What was written in the letter that Phyllis gave to the old gentleman? Can you please tell me? Yes. In the letter, the children had written that their mother was ill, father was away, and included a list of things that who prescribed. Yes, the doctor had asked them to give her. Yeah. They told the old gentleman that mother said she could not afford those things. They promised him that their father would pay him back for the favor. As they did not know anyone else, they were asking for his help. Then what did they request? What else they requested? They requested him to hand over the things to the station master as they did not know by which train he returned. At the end of the letter, the children had provided the list of things the doctor had prescribed. So this was the content of the letter that was written by the children. Then one more question is what did the old gentleman tell the children in his letter? Yes, what did he tell? Yes, the old gentleman suggested the children through his letter to tell their mother when she recovered that the things required during her sickness or during her illness were sent by a friend who had heard she was ill. Okay. However, if she said that they should not have taken things from a stranger, they may tell her that the old gentleman thought it was right and that he hoped she would forgive him for doing so without her permission because it had made him very happy to help. So that was the content of the letter written by the old gentleman to the children. Got it? Now think and answer is there that we will